Hello, what's up everyone? This is Akash and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to change motorcycle engine oil at home. For my motorcycle, I will use a 10W40 grade synthetic engine oil. But before that, I will clean the engine using this engine flush. And engine flush helps in removing and cleaning the deposits from the engine during an oil change. This is an optional step, so you may or may not do it. Let's open the engine oil cap. Also, let's clean the surrounding a bit. Now I will add this engine flush to the old engine oil. Let's close the cap. I will now start the motorcycle and let it idle for 10 to 15 minutes for the engine flush to mix and do the cleaning properly. To drain the old engine oil, I will open this drain bolt. I will let the old engine oil flow into this gallon. Tilting the motorcycle towards the side of the drain nut to let the remaining old engine oil flow out. While changing the engine oil, it is a good practice to change the engine oil filter as well. Let's open the engine oil filter cover. I will let the engine oil in this chamber flow out slowly. Here is the old filter. Let me remove it. I will now wipe the chamber with a dirt-free cloth to remove any deposits. I will do the same with the cover as well. Now let's install the new filter with the side with the hole facing inside. The spring on the cap should be on the groove on the filter, and now we will close the cover. No bolt should be over tightened. Let me close the drain bolt as well. Now the engine's capacity is 850 ml, but this is a 1 liter bottle. Since this is 300 ml mark, this is 100, 150, 200, 250, 300. So I will empty till 150 ml. Never add engine oil more than the engine's capacity. I have emptied the bottle till 150 ml mark. Let's wipe the drips and close the cap. Now this is another optional step. I will add a fuel system cleaner to the fuel tank. This helps in cleaning the fuel lines. Since it is optional, you may or may not do it. I will add this cleaner to the fuel tank. I will have to make some kind of a funnel to pour this into the gallon. I will use this plastic from the engine oil box to make a funnel. Now let me start the motorcycle and let it idle. It will help in circulation of the engine oil. And that's how you change motorcycle engine oil at home. Thank you for watching.